What's up guys, this is hindsight RCT bringing you another video for you guys. Now I'm not here to bring any gaming news and stuff like that. That is left for the other videos that I have here on the channel. This one is basically a follow-up to basically what began as my unboxing of the Ares Vega 56 from Asus, and it created this kind of awesome dynamics between, enthusiasts just like myself, PC hardware and stuff like that. And I wanted to bring this video because yes, this is going to be an unboxing, but it follows a sequence. You see, last time around when I did the video I made the video about 6 months updating, undervolting, and doing several things, benchmarking and stuff like that related to the graphics card, I did end with a very specific note saying that I might do some more follow-up videos in the future because I was at the time being affected by a faulty power supply or PSU unit, and that was the case. My PC died on me basically a few days ago. Fortunately, a deal was struck with a person who wants to remain anonymous, so I gotta respect that, and was able, thanks to that person, to be able to get the power supply and a surge protector, because the reason why the power supply went to hell, one was old age, because it was a 6-year plus power supply, but it was giving out little by little, and it probably affected some of the benchmarks and stuff that I did back then. That being said, I will do a follow-up on that, doing some new benchmarks, doing some new tests and stuff to see how much it has improved now with the new power supply. But of course, that is the whole point of this video. I'm gonna have the unboxing and show you step by step what happened and how I went through this. That's the one right there. It served me very, very well. The Cooler Master Silent Pro Gold, amazing power supply. I put it through hell basically, and even the computer traveled with me from Puerto Rico over here, and it was a titan. Now of course I was able to get myself a Corsair HX 750, which is 80 plus platinum. So I'm hoping many years of really good use out of this power supply. Time will tell. And of course the surge protector to avoid getting my power supply fried again. So that's all guys. Check out the unboxing and I'll see you guys next time. Alright guys, so this is hindsight RCT. What you're seeing here is basically the surge protector that I got in combination with the new power supply. Of course, this is step by step. Reason why I got this is because, of course, my buddy over here, my Silent Pro Gold, got busted through little surges here and there, which are very common around where I live. So yeah, this is basically the first step. I have to rewire everything and then start with the build, which, let me see if I can flash around here. Yeah, I can't. I'm not gonna be able to see it, a little dark, but I have everything basically disassembled. I already showed you guys the surge protector, which I had everything wired up and ready to go now, so that way I avoid getting this sucker messed up, which is basically what happened with some surges around here. So I'm gonna try and do this quick, one-handed, yes, because I do not have proper equipment, so I have to go very lo-fi and record with my phone. So let's take this piece of foam out of here. And we have a quick guide, a lot of use for that. Heavy duty instruction manual, very thick. Yeah, and we get some connectors here and some ties, some small, what's this? Oh, the screws and connectors and ties. the very thick cable, power line. We have a small bag, which of course I assume is all the nice cables that we're going to be using. Yep, got everything I need here. Let me bring it closer to the light. They're all in there. Hopefully they are long enough, because I've been seeing a lot of complaints about the cables being a bit on the short side, and this box is getting out of the handle right here. Alright, and then we have the unit itself, which is down here. Let me get it out, because last time around when I was doing the unboxing for the graphics card, somebody complained that I did not show the contents in the box. So yeah, there's everything in the box before showing the unit. See? Nothing else in the box, guys. Nothing else. Unless you think this is very important. Anyways, that means that the box goes that way. This other box goes that way. And now we have the unit itself. And this is the very important part. Right here. My zooming is for shit right now, but I'm gonna try and see if it focuses. Come on, I know you can do better. There you go. So there are the connections. You have the single, on the left hand side you have the single rail versus multiple rail, and has a nice little fan, which this time around I more than likely will be installing this PSU with the fan side up. This is power switch, back side, and of course, as I mentioned before, important side, which is the connection. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is about it. I'm gonna probably cut this a little shorter because there's no point to it. This is the unboxing of the Corsair HX 750. Well guys, almost done. Basically already wired the PSU unit, and all I got left, I already reseated all the RAM and did a little bit of cable management to keep at least all the SATA cables and power cables to the side as much as possible to clear space right here in the middle. So yeah, all I have to do is put this last one, which is the one that goes to the graphics card, the PCI one, and then I'll be done. So here it is, guys. I'm going back to the BIOS. Had to do reseating of the CPU cooler because it was giving me a code 55, and I had to try everything, guys. I had to reseat the RAM. I had to take the cooler off and, you know, reapply thermal paste, and everything's set up, but everything is running really nicely. Here's the new power supply. Everything pretty good. So yeah, this concludes this whole setup thingy. Now is to play some games.